Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim free chipmunk from Grow Garden game of Roblox new Chubby Chipmunk event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have already joined Grow a Garden game on Roblox, and as we know that the Chubby Chipmunk event update has been dropped, and here guys you'll be able to get free chipmunk. You can go to this event location and then you can claim your Chubby Chipmunk here. I'm going to click on claim, and then I'm going to go to my inventory, and then I'm going to search for the Chubby Chipmunk. Okay, this one. And then I'm going to go to my garden and place it on my garden. But wait, I'm going to pick up one of my active pads. I'm going to pick up this pad, and then I'm going to replace it with the Chubby Chipmunk. Wait. Alright. And then I'm going to show you the ability. Okay, this is the ability of the chipmunk guys. It can give you random reward. Okay. And then it will help you to join the Chubby Chipmunk event. Again, that's all the way to claim the Chubby Chipmunk and Grow a Garden game. New Chubby Chipmunk event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!